Yeah, there we are, back at it again, guys. All right, successful water up. We've cleared that hill there. Even though we did it walking, we did it. Yeah, there's no way. You see how much power a car has to apply to get up that hill. So imagine pedaling up. Yeah, that's at least a 70 something incline. All right, guys. So yeah, the more realistic the train will be to catch the 8:30. Oh, here's some bit of smooth road coming up. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, we're heading up this road, Cornfield Road, I'll call it, into what seems to be some kind of a town here. Beautiful suburban homes. Running along the power grid. There's a water tower there, but it's too far yet for me to read. But yeah, we're still moving northeast, guys, away from the river, but the river's gonna curve somewhere behind this town. Oh, there's a kid jumping a hill there, but I see him, he's not pedaling. He's got one of those electric bikes, little one though, probably so he can jump. Hey guys, welcome to the suburbs. This is your suburban utopia here. No signs yet for photo op. That's alright. There, we've just made up a minute on our overall cumulative ETA. Well, there's still like a memorial of a farm here with two little mini silos and a barn. And here it actually tells me to get on a trail there. Yeah, that is a beautifully asphalted trail, because this road ends and then the trail will carry us on. So yeah, we can get on the, I don't want to get in there, we'll just get it right here at the end of this street. So yeah, this lovely road, whatever it was, Hansel Road, Hansel and Gretel. Okay, see, now will allow us to get on the proper bike trail here with separation bumps. So guys, we can't go too mad on these things, even though it's smooth and really lovely to ride. Because yeah, they're really easy to ride with this real fine surface. But those separation bumps get too big. They're a bit awkward. And then guys, I just looked on the map and we will actually cycle past the old prison, the old Joliet prison, the one that's closed, the one that was, I think, a pretty good proportion of it was in the movie Shawshank Redemption, but the blueprint for that prison came from Kilmainham Jail in Dublin, Ireland, where I actually happened to visit whilst living in London. I actually visited the prison itself, where Ireland's first president, Eamon de Valera, was imprisoned, and a lot of the, that's a friendly puppy, he's just running around having a good time.